Hello everyone and welcome to Orbit Crochet. I'm Orbit. This is the first in a series of how-to crochet, and this first episode we are going to look at how to create a slip knot and then how to make the chain, the foundation chain that goes afterwards. So I'm going to be using this acrylic yarn here. This is a leftover bit that I've got from a project. This is a DK weight, a double knit weight, and I'm going to be using this 4mm crochet hook. So to begin our slip knot, we take our yarn, take the end of the yarn and we lay it over our hand and we secure it with the thumb. It makes it easier to do this. So we lay the yarn over our finger and we wrap it. So we go over and under, over and under, so that you've got two loops on your finger, over and under, over and under, and then we just hold on to it so it makes life easier. We take the back loop now and we hop it over the front loop. Then we take the new back loop, that second one, and we hop it over the first. Now we also pull it and slip it straight off the finger and we have our slip knot there. Okay, one more time. We take our yarn, take hold of it, wrap it twice around our finger, secure it, take the back loop, hop it over the first loop, then take that new back loop, hop it over that one, and then pull it straight off our finger. Slide in the hook, and then we see here we've got two options. If we make it looser, we're going to pull it right out. But if we take that little end there and we pull it, it tightens up. So if you're doing a project where you need to create a circle and then stitch into that circle, you're going to find it loosens naturally to give you the space to do that. And then when you finish that and you've slip stitched it all together, you pull it and it tightens that whole thing back up again. And then you can weave in your end or stitch it in as you go. But we'll cover that in another tutorial. So now we've got our slip knot, we're going to make a chain. So we take the end that is attached to the ball or the skein and we go over our hook from the back, over from the back. Now as you notice with the crochet hook, it has that lovely hook bit which helps us to then grab hold of it. So now that we've come from the back over the front, we use the hook to grab hold and to slide it through that loop that we had on our hook. Okay, so now we've got two chains. So we come over from the back, grab and pull through. Come over, grab and pull through. Come over from the back, grab with the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. We grab and pull through, grab and pull through, and now we've ended up with this really pretty chain. So I'm going to pull it all off again and start from the slip knot just to remind you. We take our yarn, wrap it over our finger twice, pull the back loop over the front loop, take the new back loop and pull that over the front loop and then straight off our finger. Insert our hook, pull the end to make it tight, then we take the piece of yarn that's attached to the skein, wrap it over from the back to the front, hook it and pull it through. Again, wrap over, hook it and pull it through the loop on your hook. Wrap it and pull it through. Wrap it over, hook it and pull it through. Wrap it over, hook it and pull it through. And you keep going until you have the desired number of chains for your project. Okay, there we go. You now know how to make a slip knot and how to make your first foundation chain. In the next tutorial, we will be learning how to make stitches into this foundation chain to create our first row. And until then, thanks for watching and happy crocheting. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss a thing.